Hello friends, in this video I will guide you how to create subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress on it. For this you have to log in to your Hostinger account. After login to your Hostinger account, then you have to click on this manage option of this hosting tab. Click on manage. Then in dashboard of your Hostinger account, then go to domains and click on subdomains. Here you can enter name of subdomain that you want according to your need. Now create subdomain name according to your need. For example, I want to enter education edu. Now click on create. Subdomain created successfully and it will appear below. Now after creating your subdomain, you have to go on WordPress and click on overview. Here you can see that WordPress is already installed, but it is installed on this main domain. I want to install it on subdomain that I have now newly created with edu name. Click on this newly created subdomain. Now option of install WordPress is showing here. Click on install WordPress. Here give title to your website, any title you can give. Here you can set administrative email, administrator login information, this username and password you required when you want to log in on WordPress login portal. Now here change HTTP to HTTPS. SSL certificate. Now click on next. Click on save. Here it shows the latest version of WordPress 6.2. Language of your website in English, and click on this minor version updation. Click on install. Now you can see here you have created new subdomain and you have installed WordPress on that, and you have also successfully installed SSL certificate. Now click on edit website because you want to edit this website. That you have created with new subdomain. After click on edit website, this dashboard will open. Here you can see the URL edu dot that I have newly created in this video. Now you can set appearance, plugins according to your need. If you want to search URL of your newly created subdomain, you can enter its URL here and click on enter. Here you can see your newly created website. It is sample page as WordPress already given. So now you can make a new website without purchasing a new domain. To make website, you can click on here on WordPress dashboard, and in appearance section click on theme to add a new theme. Search a new theme, Astra or any that you want, and create new website. This video I have guided you about how to create a subdomain in Hostinger account and install WordPress on your new subdomain. Thank you.